How to fix low volume alarm sound on Android. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix that. So the first thing you do is open up your settings menu, and from your settings, you're going to have your sound and vibration settings where you adjust all of your device sounds. This also includes your alarm. So if you scroll down a bit here, you have something called system vibrations and system sounds. Tap on system sounds and it will show you all of the system sounds right here, and under that you have volume. So from here you can adjust all of the volumes including your ringtone, notification, and then system settings as well. So right now I have turned on D&D, so let me just go ahead and turn off do not disturb. I'm just going to turn this off for now, and if I go back I'm able to adjust all of the settings including my media volume, my ringtone. So from here, if you want to adjust your alarm sound, you can just go ahead and go to your clock. And then on your clock settings, you're going to go to alarm, tap on it, and then from here, tap on alarm sounds. And on the alarm sound, you could choose any of the ringtone. You can adjust the volume intensity from here. Make sure that it's max. And that's how you basically adjust the volume of your alarm. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.